You ready to try peas for the first time? What do you think? Huh? What do you think of peas? You want to try a little bit more, maybe? You like them? Mmm. You like the peas? Hmm? Not so bad, huh? You think you want to try another little bite? Wow. They good? You want a little bit more? What is... You don't like them? You don't like them? Huh? You want to try another bite? You're so cute. Good job, Ashton. Good job. Good job, little boy. Good job.